Okay, so just picked up the motorbike. We're in Mumbolk, and there she is. A little Honda 1983 QR50. Should note, I am doing this for two reasons. Number one, I've never rebuilt a little mini bike that I had as a kid. Number two, I'm trying to turn a daughter into a tomboy. Please help me. So this is a 1983 Honda QR50. It's a two-stroke semi-automatic dirt bike. They didn't sell these in the US, however they were pretty well known in Australia, I think Canada as well, and Japan. So they reckon it ran before they put it in a shed for X amount of years, and look, it seems to want to kick over, but something else is going on. So we're going to take some parts off, figure out what's going on. I have a feeling it's probably going to be the spark plug up in here, but we won't know till we take everything off first. Fuel on. It is left side kick too. Let's just clean this air filter. Pretty dirty interior, as you can see. One of them is broken. So I already gave this bike a good spray down with degreaser and let it sit for a day, and you can still see in there. There's still lots of debris and just gunk. Obviously the wheels are meant to be gold, not black. So those of you with a keen eye will already know that I've taken a wire wheel to this already, which I did and posted a video on Instagram. The starting issue is either going to be wiring related or a blocked carb, so we will get to it. Alright, we'll check the spark plug first. Alright, I don't know if the video is going to show it. Oh, there we go. It's in focus. It's actually in pretty good condition. Just needs a little bit of a clean. Alright, don't know if it's going to... Just give it a quick clean. Terminals are fairly clean. We'll see how we go now. Alright, let's just see if we get spark from that. Yep. See that? You're getting spark, alright? Good. That's good. We know that we're getting spark, then it's not a spark plug issue, which means it's either going to be fuel or something else. Yeah, it wants to start. Okay, we don't want to get anything with a kick. Let's just try the choke on full. No. Hopefully you can see that there, because this is oil injected. The other half is on the other side over here, and this is the drain. That should be the drain if I'm right. So I'll just get a little pan, if I can find one, and drain it into the float bowl. Just give me a second. So if petrol has been sitting for a long time, my understanding is that petrol can go off. So just see if any more wants to come through. Oh, there we go. So I just turn the petcock on and back off, so we know fuel is getting through. It could have been something as simple as a blockage. One can only hope. Oh, it's not. It's actually not too bad. We'll see how we go. When we turn the fuel on, which is here, you should now start to see little bits are going in there. That's good. That's a good sign. Ready? Whoa! It might be. I just realised, look, it's missing a bolt. See this? When I was moving this around, I think I accidentally nudged this out of place, which could have given it a little bit more airflow to breathe. Let me put it all back on and see whether or not that was the reason why. Alright, so I just wiggled it on, and that bolt is definitely missing. And I did get a box of spares, and I was just digging through, and I found it. That looks like the bolt. And after looking at this fender, I've come to realise that's actually, well, let me just go around the other side here. That's actually not the correct fender. That looks like a CRF50 fender, not a QR50 fender. Do you think that's meant to go in a little bit more, or is it meant to sit there? Because I think the end of it is about, looks like it comes off a little bit. I don't know, looks like it's meant to pop over it. And this is meant to be squished a bit more. See what I mean? We'll try it anyway. See if I can start it from the left side now. This nut's well and proper stripped, so I'm going to have to clean it. Hopefully that don't. There you go. Cleaned up a lot. Okay. It's proper stripped, this one. Correctly. Alright, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Good. Oops, sorry camera. Take you out of there. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to take you in the face with that. That can just stay there. Right, now, can you do me a favour and just hold it down on that wheel? Thank you. There's normally two little areas. Okay, that's left. And with this guy coming up, that's right. Front wheel is off. This is the right side. That's the left with the brake drum and the bearing. Brake drum could use a clean. First, I'm going to go have some lunch, and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm just going to use this drill with a metal tip. See how we go. Heaps better, even though I did take off a bit of the paint. Alright, so you've got that side and you've got that side. Massive difference. Okay. Just like that. In. Right. choke. So here we go. Smoky. Okay, now it's time to see if we can get the old girl running. It's cold. Completely dead cold. Turn the fuel on. Fuel's already on. Okay. Here we go.